In the next 72 hours, you can absolutely call 25,000 rupees into your life. I know it sounds crazy, but just trust me on this. Think about financial blessings you want to call into your life right now. What is it? Is it that you want a job or a raise, a bonus, a promotion? Maybe you want to call in 5 new sales, maybe a high-ticket client. What do you want? Now, whatever it is that you just thought of, you can have it in 3 steps. Again, I know it sounds crazy, but just follow me. Okay, so let's begin with the first of the 3 steps. So step 1 is you're going to go into your body. So this here is your body, okay? And you're going to go where? Where in my body should I go, Kartika? You're going to go into your heart. So I want you to imagine that your heart is like a window. So you're going into your body, into your heart. And you're imagining that your heart is a window. And you are opening the window. Okay, window is open. This is step number 1. Step number 2 is you're going to imagine a river that is flowing towards you. So there's a river that is flowing towards you. And in this river, or the river is carrying towards you, something that you can believe. So I'm going to give you the advice that you need, which is what is the right way to do this exercise and what is the wrong way of doing this exercise. So we'll start out with the wrong way. Don't put anything in here that you don't believe. Okay, if you don't believe it and you don't feel worthy of it, drop it. Don't put that. Don't put it. So what should I put here? Put a version of that goal that you do believe. I'll give you examples. So let's say, so what is the right way to do this? We're going to put something that I do believe can come into my life. So let's look at what can you believe, okay? So can you believe that a general financial blessing can come into your life? What is a general financial blessing? Some money comes from some expected or unexpected source. That can be a small amount of money also. Can you believe that can come? So let's say one financial gift comes from the universe. Can you believe one financial gift can come from the universe, from somewhere? If you cannot believe it, don't put it in here. Can you believe 2,000 rupees can come into your life? Can you believe it? If you say yes, we can add that to the river. So rupees 2,000. Can you believe that 2 times your current money can come into your life? So let's say right now you have 1 lakh rupees. Can you believe that 2 lakhs can come into your life? Or you can have 2 lakhs in your life? Yes? If you said yes, we can add that to our list. 2 lakhs. Just make sure you only get specific on the number if you believe. If you don't believe, don't put any specific numbers here. Okay? Here's another important rule. No timelines. A lot of people say, I want to have 2 lakh rupees per month, every month for the rest of 2026. No timelines. Everything is happening in the present moment. Why would you delay it? By the end of 2027, I want to have. So why are you delaying it? It can happen right now. So right now I have, what is it that you want? $10,000 or what you can believe. Right now I have, can you believe $1,000 can come into your life right now? Yes, right now I have $1,000. So we can put $1,000 if you believe that. So let's put that in our list. Okay, so $1,000 is also floating in this river towards you. Can you believe that one high-ticket client has come into your life? Can you believe a high-ticket client came into your life? If yes, you add on your river, 1 high-ticket client. Can you believe that you have 5 new sales? Just 5. 5 new sales. Can you believe? If yes, let's put 5 new sales. So as you can see, we're only putting what we can believe can come into our experience. Because once you achieve all this, what you believe you can do will grow much further. You can do this every day. Step number 3. Step 3 is you are going to imagine that all of this, so this financial gift that came from the universe has come and entered your heart. This high-ticket client has come and entered your heart. This 2,000 rupees has come and entered your heart. This $1,000 has come, entered your heart. The 2 lakhs has come and entered your heart. Because we're choosing to write what we believe we can have and what we believe we're worthy of, once you receive it in your heart, you're going to start feeling a very yummy, yummy feeling. A very beautiful, warm feeling of appreciation. I'm going to call this yummy feeling. It feels very appreciative. It feels very expansive. It feels very joyful. Kim, I like to see that my heart is actually hugging the high ticket client, or is actually hugging the financial gift. So maybe I see there's a briefcase full of money inside. That briefcase has come into my life. It's a symbol. And I'm hugging the briefcase. The briefcase is hugging me. I'm hugging the $2,000 rupees deposit, and the deposit is hugging me. And I'm hugging the 2 lakhs that has come in, and the 2 lakhs is hugging me. So I'm feeling this warm, yummy, awesome feeling. This feeling is the magnet. Okay, so this yummy feeling, that's the magnet. That's going to attract it within 24 to 78 hours. Make sure you're actually feeling it. Now, few things can happen. Number one is you will get exactly this. You'll get the gift, you'll get the $1,000 or 2,000 rupees or 25,000 rupees or whatever you chose to. Either it'll directly come that way, or the connector will come. So you might get a new follower, you might see an opportunity, you might get a call from somebody might donate something to you. Whatever it is that you have felt, this feeling is symbolic. Don't hold very tightly to this. It has to be 2,000. Hold more carefully to the feeling of that joy and abundance you're getting when you think of 2,000 rupees coming in. That feeling of joy, appreciation, expansion, abundance, happiness, that can bring in far more than 2,000. As long as it's in your belief system, it will come. So if you can believe far more than 2,000 can come, far more can come. You can always improve your belief system, but we want money quick, right? So because we are on the journey, but we still want money now as we are growing ourselves, this is a great exercise to do. So let's put the steps together. Step number 1 is you're going to go inside your body, into your heart, and open the window of your heart. Step number 2, you're going to see a river is flowing towards you, and the river is carrying financial blessings that you do believe can come into your life. Can you believe 100 rupees can come? Yes. Can you believe 200 can come? How would you feel if 300 came in your life? It's rivers flowing 300 rupees into your life. How do you feel? The warm, yummy feeling? Your heart is hugging those blessings. Those blessings are hugging your heart. You're in oneness with those blessings, and you're feeling these yummy, wonderful, awesome feelings of appreciation, of expansion, of oneness, of joy, of happiness. That vibration is the magnet, and we're going to hold it for how long? So how long are we going to hold this yummy feeling? 17 seconds. Yes, you can hold it. So there is no pressure to hold it for a long time, just 17 seconds. Is that powerful or not? If you resonated with this video, something about this truly resonated with your spirit, with your heart, let me know, leave a like below. I'm doing a whole class on money alignment. It's called the Wealth Alignment class. This is not my code webinar. This is a brand new, fresh, practical alignment to wealth class we're doing. It's 90 minutes. It's live. It is coming up. Find out more information below. Even the Synchro Tribe students, my membership, these guys anyway automatically get access to this program. You can join my membership, or you can get a single ticket to this particular class. You can find out more information below. And with that, just leave me a love if you connected with this one, or let me know what you thought about this. Share this video with someone who needs to call in anything into their life. This is very easy to do. You can call it in because you're working on something you can believe. And now that you've shared it with somebody and you've commented, hit the like button so I know you liked this video. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate our souls connecting this way. I love you, and namaste.